Are you a skeptic? Sometimes I'm a skeptic, especially when products are introduced. Sometimes I'm like, really? I mean, overall in my life, I think I try and think about the positive. What can I learn from this situation? What is good? But here's the deal. 10 years ago, which is one of my now favoriteest products, body products, is the Sculpt was introduced. And they said at conference two things that I remember and that are still true about this product. That it will help with cellulite, which is in my family, and it will help with firmness of skin, which, as we know, as we age, firmness decreases. Plus, as we gain and lose weight with pregnancies or whatever circumstances are in our lives, we lose firmness of our skin. And so I thought, well, how does a cream do that? You know, you listen to what they're explaining and how it works, and I'm like, okay, I have to experience this. So what I did, so I went home and I did it on one of my legs. So I actually measured before, and then I think for about 6 weeks to 2 months, I used the product just on this one leg. Put it all over, massaged it in, I didn't do anything else, and I lost inches. I don't know if it was half an inch, it was 10 years ago, but I remember being amazed and becoming a believer of the product since then. So literally for the last 10 years, I've been using this product. Here's how I use this product. All right. I use this product and I've timed myself. So for any of you like me who are kind of sometimes go, oh, I don't want it takes a lot of time, I would love for you to time yourself. I do that with anything in my life that goes, oh, it actually takes me 45 seconds to floss my teeth. So I'm always like, okay, 45 seconds I can invest in myself. Okay, I'm weird, but that's what I do. It helps me. So 1.5 minutes, here's what I do. I roll it around my arms like this. And then I massage it in, and you know, flappy arms, they're they're not bad, And then I do my tummy, and I roll on my tummy, or massage it in there, and then I do my legs, and I do my backside, and then actually I learned in Manitoba last week to do your chinny chin chin, right? Because we all, you know, we're prone to that, right? Or I am, I know. So 1.5 minutes, you massage it in, and the more movement, the better. Now, here's another way to make it more effective. We all know that when we get rid of the top surface skin, the cornflakes of our skin, that whatever treatments, whatever creams, whatever we're putting on top will penetrate more deeply. So, for me, I love the microdermabrasion for body. So in the shower, I actually like baths. I really like baths. I do this, and I do it all over my body, and it does really help with dry skin. It's really dry here in Alberta, and it really helps with smoothness, and then it helps your Sculpt go in deeper. Here's another tip with Sculpt. Okay, do a wrap. I have saran wrap on. Now, now I know there's lots of wrap companies out there. I have not researched them, but friends have told me that one wrap can be $10 just for one. And if you're doing that every day, that's crazy amounts of money. So we can wrap for cheap. This is $55 retail. Right now it's on sale for like $32. I haven't seen it like on sale like that for a long time. I've bought a lot of them, because I love to save money, and I love to sell them throughout the year at regular price, and maximize my my discounts. It just makes sense. So that's how I use Sculpt. That's how I would love for you to experience it. Now, of course, 10 years ago, it would have been smart of me to take a before and after picture. With this, you can do this on your legs, or whatever area. If you're on your arm, you can wrap all around here with this, just like you would with a wrap company. Do know that it is super effective. There's ingredients in here that shrink the fat cell and that firm the skin. If you can do some research and post on this Facebook post, that would be awesome. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another quick video that you can share with your friends, your family, your clients, if you want to share Sculpt with them and my experience. So underneath this post, I'd love for you, to know, like, I'll highlight a few of the other ones that are on sale when I'm doing that, but I'll just do like a 2-minute video that you can share with your clients, with your friends, and, just say, hey, check out Sculpt. Let's try it out. Summer's here. Let's see what we can do. So appreciate you, love you. I just wanted to share with you one of my favorites, share with you how I use this, what I like about it, and now is a great time with such a great price. So go ahead and share it with as many people as you can. I'd love for you to try and share it with like 10 people or more, and who knows, maybe you'll have some people along with you using this product. So blessings to you. Have a great day.